Hi, I'm Suzanne Hall, the editor-in-chief of the Chalkboard Mag, and this is a guide to living well. Today we are with Bridget Tiggemeyer, the nutrition consultant for Bragg Apple Cider Vinegar. We are talking about all things apple cider vinegar today. So welcome, Bridget.
Thank you.
So for those of us familiar with fermented food, this is just another incredible application of fermentation.
Exactly.
To get some great health benefits. What are the health benefits of apple cider vinegar?
Yeah, I think that the first overall benefit is optimal wellness, right? Creating health in your own body in a very sustainable, non-diet approach that makes it very accessible and easy to add to any day of your life. The second benefit would be weight maintenance and weight management. Individuals who consume apple cider vinegar, based on the research, appear to have an enhanced weight loss experience. And then the third benefit would be blood sugar balance. So they've shown specifically for postprandial glucose levels, which is your blood sugar levels after your meal, that it can help to lower those, which is a really great tool to have in your toolbox. It can be a really nice way to decrease the glycemic response from your food.
When you say having the apple cider vinegar, how should people be taking it?
Yeah, with water or with a pressed juicery product or something along those lines.
Something to dilute it a touch.
Not a shot. You don't want a straight shot.
Yeah, so the apple cider vinegar, just like green juice in some ways, just like a lot of healthy substances, I think easing into it is really healthy for a lot of people.
Completely agreed.
Well, let's talk about dilution a little bit because one of the things we're excited to talk about with Bragg is this collaboration with Pressed Juicery. So we have a green juice with a dilution of apple cider vinegar with the mother and also a couple of shots, which to me, these little shots are kind of that ideal situation we were talking about. A lot of people are tempted to take the vinegar on its own and just get it in their bodies because they know it's great, but a dilution's best. And these shots with either a little pineapple or a little honey soften the edges and also dilute it so it's a little easier for you to digest.
Exactly, and it makes it more convenient because for as silly as it might sound, I've heard a lot of people that will say that it's too inconvenient to go through the process of adding the apple cider vinegar to their water or to the beverage that they're drinking.
You live very convenient lives.
Yeah. So in this form, you don't have to add anything to anything, you just open it up and drink.
Yeah. Amazing. These little shots are like my best friend. Bridget, thank you again for joining us, nerding out on all things apple cider vinegar.
Thank you for having me.
The Bragg and Pressed Juicery collaboration is live and available in Pressed Juicery stores and online. Pressed is launching a 3-day challenge to help you incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily habits, just like we've been talking about. So the 3-day challenge involves 1 juice in the morning, 1 shot in the afternoon for 3 days to help you start feeling the benefits of apple cider vinegar every day.